Babies develop at their own pace, and rolling over is one of the first major milestones in their motor development. It's exciting to watch your baby roll from tummy to back, or back to tummy. However, some babies who once rolled over may suddenly stop doing so. This can be concerning, but it's important to understand the reasons behind it and learn ways to encourage your baby development safely. Bulky clothing or thick diapers can restrict a baby movement, making it harder to roll over comfortably. Clothes that are too tight or layered can limit the natural motion needed to push, twist, and shift weight. Choosing lighter, flexible outfits and snug, but comfortable diapers can give your baby the freedom to move and practice rolling more effectively. This simple adjustment can make a noticeable difference in their confidence and willingness to roll. Tummy time is crucial for building the core, shoulder, and neck muscles that support rolling. Babies who spend most of their time lying on their backs may not develop the strength needed to roll consistently. Short, supervised tummy sessions each day help strengthen these muscles, while encouraging exploration and movement. Over time, this regular practice can improve coordination and make rolling a natural part of your baby motor skills. Even minor illnesses, teething, or digestive discomfort can reduce a baby's desire to move and explore. Pain or irritation may make rolling seem difficult or uncomfortable, leading them to pause this skill temporarily. When a baby is not feeling well, providing comfort and extra rest can help them regain their energy and motivation to roll again. Rolling requires the development of abdominal, back, and arm muscles, which may not always be fully matured in younger babies. If core strength is still building, your baby might stop rolling temporarily, as they gain the ability to coordinate movements smoothly. Babies tire easily during playtime or after periods of excitement, which can cause them to stop rolling, even if they have done it before. Overstimulation or extended activity sessions may lead to short-term pauses in motor skills. Allowing for frequent breaks and ensuring your baby gets enough sleep and rest helps maintain their energy levels. As babies grow, they often focus on mastering new skills, such as sitting, crawling, or grasping objects. This shift in focus may lead to a temporary pause in rolling, as they divert energy and attention to other developmental goals. Using the arms to push off the ground is a key part of rolling, and weak arm muscles can make this motion challenging. Babies who have not yet built sufficient upper body strength may struggle to complete the movement consistently. By understanding the possible reasons and offering consistent support, you will help your baby continue developing strength, confidence, and movement safely.